So now let's see how Workbench Renderer actually works. So Workbench Renderer is an OpenGL renderer that is the classic renderer inside of Blender, and it is something like a game engine. So if I were to go around over here onto the viewport shading, by default EV renderer is selected. So let me just go on to the top. You can see EV renderer is there. So if I were to go to Workbench, you can see that this is much more like this view right here, just a bit different right here. So you got a bit more detail to work with. I'm just going to add in, let's say for example, a spear right here as well and move this up. And these are just like regular renderer, as you can see. You can go for mocap or like flat view and so forth according to what you like as well. And similarly, you have like different options right over here which you can try out as well. So let me just go around over here, and then if I were to go around over here, you can go around, make it transparent and so forth, as you can see right here. And there's different options that you can work around with over here. So you can go around, increase the number of samples, make it much more smoother, and then different options are there. So now when we come into Workbench Renderer, this is actually not a very high standard of a renderer. It's just like a game engine, so nothing much happens. So you want to go for a visualization or things like that, then you can go around with it right over here. You can select flat or anything right here. So this is much more like the thing right here. So you can go around right here, work around with these things according to what you like. And that is how a Workbench renderer actually works. It is much more for visualization rather than for high quality rendering, and for architecture presentation and everything else. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.